Inside the box, BOYA keeps the package practical and focused, giving you exactly what you need to start recording and transferring files immediately. Alongside the Notra device itself, you receive a magnetic accessory designed for secure phone attachment, a short USB-C connection cable for charging and wired use, and a USB adapter that ensures compatibility with different setups right out of the box. It is a simple but thoughtful selection, reinforcing the idea that Notra is built for real-world movement between meetings, calls, and daily work environments. This is not just a voice recorder. It is a modern productivity engine built for the way professionals actually work today. The ability to seamlessly record ambience, phone calls, and Bluetooth conversations solves one of the biggest workflow gaps in the AI note-taking space. Add transcription in more than 140 languages, structured summaries with 60 templates, searchable AI retrieval across recordings, strong noise cancellation, massive storage, and all-day battery life, and Notra becomes one of the most complete AI voice tools currently available. The BOYA Notra feels like a device designed not for casual users, but for serious professionals who are tired of meeting amnesia and want a true second brain that keeps up with their life. For anyone looking to upgrade from scattered notes and forgotten details into a smarter, searchable, AI-powered workflow, BOYA Notra is one of the most compelling devices to arrive in this new era of productivity.